This is a bathroom floor that another company tried to clean a couple of times, and the client was told that she should just replace the floor because the grout just wasn't cleaning very well. We were able to fix those cleaning issues using a low pH cleaner, neutralizing that, and then rinsing the floor, and that part of the floor looked great. However, there were some issues on the front part of the floor as you walked in with some cracked or missing grout. In those areas, we were able to grind the grout out of those areas, and then once that was vacuumed out, we were able to replace that grout with new grout that we put in those areas. Once that grout was set, we were able then to color seal the entire floor so the floor was all one color. So we were able to leave this floor looking new and uniform in appearance. Please contact us for a free quote if you'd like. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.